Where does the land of Israel begin and end? Look at this map. Where was Israel in 1947? And where is Israel now, especially between the years 1949 and 1967? Where was Israel and where is Israel now? Look, this is 1947, the land of Palestine. There's seemingly almost no Israeli presence on these lands. The entire territory belongs to the Palestinians, so the map suggests. But the year 1947, the distribution plan takes place, gets ratified, Palestinian lands start shrinking, and Israel starts expanding. And from 1947 to 1967, Israel is still expanding, Palestine is still shrinking. And today, the current situation, there is seemingly no Palestinian presence. The entire land belongs to Israel.